Hi, Brian from GuitarHelper.net. Today we're going to look at Green Day's Good Riddance. It's one of the first tunes that beginner guitar players learn to do because the first three chords, a G6, a C add 9, and a D sus2, a D add 9, however you want to call it, you only move one finger to change the chords. So we're going to do that. So if we look at the chords first, we have a G6, then we have a C add 9. I'm just going to move my second finger from the 6th string to the 5th string. We want to make sure the first string rings clear. And then the D add 9, the first finger goes to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. All while the 3rd string, the 3rd finger is on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So we G6 to C add 9, D add 9, D sus2, whatever you want to call it. D sus2, I guess, because there's no F sharp. Now, for the basic strum, we're going to do a strum of down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up. So that's the strum. Down, down, up, down, up. So we want to play that. So 2 times on the G6, once on the C add 9, once on the D sus2. Now that pattern happens 4 times in the beginning, and they start singing the 3rd time in. On the 3rd time you play that progression. The song is a lot faster, but in the beginning you just want to get the strum down, and then speed is just practice. So eventually you want to get it up to the proper speed. Okay, so those are the chords for the beginning. The next section, we're going to go to an E minor chord, up for 1 bar, up to a D, regular D, to the C add 9 again, to a regular full G chord. So we have E minor, D, C add 9 to D. Same strum. You'll do that twice, and then we're going to go E minor to G twice, 1 bar each, and then E minor to D, and that takes you back to the beginning of the song. So the second half, I'll play through it. Same strum. E minor, D, C add 9, G, E minor to G, E minor to D. Okay, so that's the basic format of the song. G, 6, C add 9 to D 4 times. Then you have E minor, D, C add 9 to G twice. E minor, G, E minor, G, E minor to D. Let's say 3 times through the whole song. It would be 3 times through the whole song, and then there's a coda, which is basically the second half of the tune. And the 3rd time through the song, there's the violin solo for the first 24 bars, which would take you to the bridge, to the second half of the song. And that's it for Green Day. You can download the rhythm chart at GuitarHelper.net under the lesson section. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at brian@GuitarHelper.net.